Do you want to make six figures working less than 20 hours a week, helping people at the highest level with your business without living on social media or without sacrificing your family life in the process? I remember wanting to genuinely help people improve their lives and make a great income in the process. And at the time, I didn't know where to start, who had the money to pay me, or where to find them even if I did. And it wasn't until I discovered a simple step-by-step process on how to find the right people, how to get them to approach me, and how to get them to pay you money before I started making money myself and before I started showing other people the same simple step-by-step process. Listen, if you want to have a successful business that you love, working less than 20 hours a week, making six figures using Zoom, join this masterclass below. Well, I show you not only the simplest way how to build a lifestyle business, but I show you the quickest path to accelerate your cash flow. So click below and join the masterclass that shows you how to make a transformational impact that increases your income in the process.